Are you thinking about starting your own construction business but not sure where to begin? The construction industry offers a wide range of opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to put in time and effort to succeed. In this video, we'll explore 15 construction business ideas to start your own business in the construction industry. Number 1. General contracting. As a general contractor, you'll be responsible for overseeing construction projects from start to finish. You'll need a broad knowledge of construction processes and regulations, and the ability to manage subcontractors and suppliers. Number 2. Home renovation. With more and more people renovating their homes rather than moving, there's a growing demand for skilled renovators who can transform outdated homes into modern spaces. Number 3. Custom home building. If you have experience in construction industry and a passion for creating unique homes, custom home building could be the perfect business for you. Number 4. Green building. With a focus on sustainable materials and energy-efficient construction methods, green building is becoming more popular with environmentally conscious clients. Number 5. Concrete work. As a concrete contractor, you'll be responsible for pouring, shaping, and finishing concrete surfaces. Number 6. Masonry. Masonry work involves building structures from bricks, stones, and other materials. With a focus on precision and attention to detail, masonry can be rewarding and challenging construction business. Number 7. Roofing. With a constant need for repairs and replacements, the roofing industry offers a steady stream of work. As a roofing contractor, you'll need to have knowledge of different roofing materials and installation methods. Number 8. Painting. As a painting contractor, you'll be responsible for selecting and applying paint to different surfaces. Number 9. Electrical work. As an electrical contractor, you'll be responsible for installing and maintaining electrical systems in buildings. You'll need to have a thorough understanding of electrical codes and safety regulations. Number 10. Plumbing. From installing new pipes to repairing leaks, plumbing is a critical component of any construction project. As a plumbing contractor, you'll need to have a strong knowledge of plumbing systems and building codes. Number 11. HVAC. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems are essential for comfortable living and working spaces. As an HVAC contractor, you'll need to have knowledge of different heating and cooling systems and be able to install and maintain them. Number 12. Landscaping. From designing outdoor spaces to planting and maintaining gardens, landscaping can be a rewarding and creative construction business. Number 13. Swimming pool construction. With a focus on design and installation of swimming pools, this specialized construction business requires knowledge of pool systems and safety regulations. Number 14. Demolition. From tearing down old buildings to clearing land for new construction, demolition is a vital part of many construction projects. And number 15. Excavation. Excavation involves digging and moving dirt, rocks, and other materials to prepare a construction site for building. As an excavation contractor, you'll need to have knowledge of different excavation techniques and equipment.